Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Diddy plus 7. Why not? Rap mogul Diddy will be starring in a reality show with his kids. It should be entertaining. Everything he touches is gold. The Beautiful Day remix has entered the UK Billboard Afrobeats chart at number 26. Jermaine Edwards says he's happy at the recent success of the song. Sony Music says they've never seen anything like this before. Congrats, Jermaine, well deserved. Spice turned up and out in Cayman. What a performance! No, sir. She definitely did not disappoint for her first time back on stage since her surgery and near-death experience. Good job, Spicy. Did Ninja Man really write a letter from prison? So, a UK-based radio station said they had an exclusive. Ninja Man wrote a letter to lay out his thoughts on the content of the music nowadays and forgiveness. I don't know. And finally holding the spot this week, my highlight of Champs 2023.
It's an electrifying start by Buwaji and Krumi. Daly and Benjamin are chasing relentlessly, and Krumi steps on the accelerator, goes away in grand style. It's a great performance. 997. Wow, we have just seen the first ever top 10 in the history of Champs.
Buwaji and Krumi from KC. 9.99 in the 100-meter. No, sir, youth, you were clocking. You're bad. Congrats. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more in entertainment.